Hello everyone, my name is Juan and I'm here to present my digital portfolio as part of the digital portfolio module in the higher diploma in science in digital marketing at Dublin Business School. My research topic was privacy and data protection on messaging apps, and I use WordPress as a platform to host my digital portfolio. As you can see, this is the homepage where I have a welcome section here with some information about me. So in the top right corner we have the menu. We have different tabs: home, about, projects and work. Here I group some projects I've done in the course. This one, privacy protection on messaging apps, is the one I conduct for this module, and all the headlines are here, so we can go straight to a specific headline on the research. And I also include some research and projects from before. Next, we can see projects and work section on the home page. Here we have a slideshow where we can see some images that shows the different projects. Then a signing up form, so you can keep updated on the blog. And then at the bottom, about me section. So I wrote a little bit about me and what I'm doing, and a picture and some social media links to users and visitors to contact. Okay, so every link that is not related to the website itself, I set it up to open in a new tab. And if we go to the projects and work tab or section here, or even here, if we click on it, we are going to the projects and work page. Yeah, so I put some pictures to show what the project was about. Here, this one, the first one, is the last one that I conduct for this module, privacy protection on messaging apps. A little description of what it is, and then a button to go and start reading the research, and then the others with their bottoms too. Now, focusing on the research topic, I decide for the digital portfolio module, which is privacy protection on messaging apps. We're gonna go to the research through this bottom, and the first page is introduction, and I create an infographic to show how the topic was developing through the years till the GDPR sanction. And at the bottom of the page we have the button that is gonna take us to the next headline, which is GDPR. This is the second page of the research. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. I also use hyperlinks within the text to go to, for example in this case, to go to the actual text of the legislation. And I use YouTube videos such as this one, where it explains in a few minutes what is the GDPR about. So click on it, it will play. It's embedded on the site, so we don't need to go to YouTube to watch it. And then again, at the end of the page, we have a button. So to go to the next headline, which is end-to-end encryption. This page is end-to-end encryption. I insert a GIF here. Then an infographic, which is from other side, but I'm citing the source at the bottom of the graphic, which explains the end-to-end encryption very easily. And the next started talking about messaging applications. On this page I are writing about messaging applications. So before I was giving a context to the topic, talking about GDPR legislation, end-to-end encryption technology. Here I start to focus on the messaging apps and the issues that come with the use of them, the massive use of them. From the large amount of messaging apps that are out there, I selected WhatsApp, Telegram and Signal to do this research. And so in the next headline it will be WhatsApp. The first app I start analyzing was WhatsApp, and for every messaging app I create a page with their most important characteristics, a little of background on them, but I mainly focus on the data that is linked to the user and the apps collect, and also what the expert said, possible risks or benefits of every of them. I have Telegram here, and the same data linked to the user, some hyperlinks in text. And here we have Signal, the data which is linked to the user. Also, if we, for example, we want to go back to that headline before, we can go to the menu there and go straight to the headline that we want to go. Next page is user's preference. I conduct a survey using SurveyMonkey with some questions about user preference and opinions on messaging apps and their preferences. And I create a video using Adobe Spark with all the results and upload it to YouTube in order to embed it to the website. Here are some insights from the survey. Finally, I draw some conclusions and insert some tweets from experts such as Edward Snowden, opinions from the company itself, WhatsApp, Telegram, some memes, Elon Musk. On reflection, I wrote about the learning process and the challenge I faced when doing this project. The main one was to learn new skills, new digital tools, such as website builder platform, for example WordPress. It was the one I chose, and to be able to use that tool to present my research in a visually pleasant and professional way. I'm happy with the final result, and I want to keep developing and upgrading my skills on these tools. I feel like they will help me a lot in my future career and my future projects. I appreciate your time and attention, and with this I finish my presentation.